Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for government exams. First, you need to thoroughly understand the exam structure and what topics it covers. This initial step is crucial for effective preparation. Next, develop a realistic study schedule, perhaps dedicating 2 to 3 hours each day. Consistency is key, so stick to your plan as much as possible. Finally, gather all your study materials, including any official guides or recommended textbooks. Having everything organized from the start will save you time and stress. Once you have your materials, focus on smart study techniques. Actively read through your resources, taking concise notes on key concepts and definitions. Don't just passively read, engage with the material. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing important dates, names, and terms, especially for subjects with a lot of factual recall. Consider forming a study group with peers. Discussing complex topics and quizzing each other can solidify your understanding and expose you to different perspectives. Practice is absolutely vital for success. Regularly complete practice questions and, when possible, full-length practice exams under timed conditions. This helps you get comfortable with the exam environment. Don't just look at your score. Analyze your incorrect answers to understand why you made mistakes and identify areas where you need more work. Make sure to review challenging topics weekly. Consistent review reinforces your learning and prevents you from forgetting crucial information. On exam day, ensure you get adequate rest the night before, aiming for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. A well-rested mind performs better. Arrive early at the test center with all your required identification and any other permitted items. Stay calm, read instructions carefully, and manage your time wisely during the exam. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Good luck, and you've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.